Guys, I have mix up for go now. When you see on a girl there I love chat off her mouth. Funny. I say Sunday gone me have a pre-book launch. My face look like it would take like a makeup, not true? But as my husband always say, do it as you are. Yeah, do it as me are. Do it as I am. Sunday gonna have a pre-book launch. And you know see on a girl love chat off her mouth. Sunday morning I wake up. I go to bed early Saturday night, you know. Wake up Sunday morning and write my speech. Before day, you know, write my speech. You know, in the morning I feel fresh. I just have this thing for just get up and just write my speech. But you know what? When I learn, I go just freestyle when I communicate because it work better that way there. I not write no speech. At the first I ever talk in front of people, and when I tell you say, my foot them feel like say, them was so. I can't describe that feeling there because that never come over me before. When you see oh my love chat off my mouth right or so, because nobody know they around me. It too look at people that were there in front of me because it wasn't much people come out. You know, holiday weekend, all the people gone away. All the people text me and tell me say them nah gonna make it, but don't worry because them are gonna support me and whatever. All the people who did for come, who me invite and who did for come, them text me and tell me say them nah gonna make it because, you know, some people gone to Jamaica, some people have birthday party with them family plan already, and because of last minute something, I don't expect people to change them plans. Some people have work. All the people text me and tell me say, you know, they have call out and you know they ask people for cover for them and them not cover. So who is this? Them need for cover for them and they not cover for them. So because of that, enough people never come. And I lucky thing say them never come because I flap myself so much at that I'm supposed to give speech and talk about the book. Cold feet. Me we talk right here so by myself from now till tomorrow morning non-stop because me becomes one piece of parrot all of a sudden. But never know say it would be a problem talking in front of people. Like I gonna need somebody to help me with public speaking because obviously me write a book about me life story of who me was and who me become, you know, a mother, a wife. It's however, you know, how me fall in love, how me learn for love. There's so much things in that book want know about me when enough people who very close to me don't know about me. And that book has brought me so much tears. And Sunday night, I was supposed to talk about the book, and it's like me froze. My brain was one thing that wasn't like, what the hell was happening to me? I don't know. And then my whole body, I never have to take a mic and talk in front of people. I start out very good, and then boom, everything just come. Like me ready to repeat myself, and me a woman I repeat myself. Me we stray from the point. Me did start straight from the point. But outside, I never set up proper lighting for read the paper, so I couldn't really see the paper when I write so well. And it is the morning I write it, I never go over it because I have to decorate, I have to get things ready. It's not like some rich hire people to do everything for me, no. And I can do them myself. So it was, I beat myself up for the speech, but everything else was fine. But you know, you learn as you go. And I hope to learn from this. So as it said is to say that your girl always come on your chat off her mouth. You know, tell you how she feel and etc. But at the same time go in front of people and freeze. So I think I'm gonna need somebody to help me with that because maybe it's something that me I battle with. Insecurity from long time. It always used to be a very insecure, and maybe it's fear, and it is okay to feel this kind of way, but you know, you learn from it. It's my first time talking to people, you know, talking in front of people like that. Even in my house, if me I do a video, it's if I don't realize me in my car, nobody not inside right now, me I go on the road, me I go pick up my meat, me I go a meat shop, and I just say I share this with you know, because you know, I just feel like to share it with you guys. And as me saying that several of my video, I wasn't the person that communicate with people. Me used to be a quiet person, a quiet child growing up. Me never used to talk much, and as me discover, you know, how much me will communicate if me in a certain environment. And my husband are one of them person that will help me to open up and be myself. Him always said, just be yourself, you know. Him always encourage me to be myself, and that is something where, you know, I really appreciate with him, because him listen and him observe and him encourage me to be myself. So all I have to do is just be myself. Don't try to be somebody else, which is, that wasn't me. I just always quiet and never like to talk about things. So him encourage me to be myself. I appreciate that. So I be myself by talking and communicating, and you know, by communicating and telling you guys something, it might encourage you. Somebody out there, at least one person, will be encouraged by me for just be themselves. I mean, I encourage you also to be yourself. But straight from the point? No, I'm not straight from the point. Yeah, so the book launch, it was nice. I enjoyed the little gathering and everything. Pre-book launch, because the book not ready. Within the next 2 weeks, the book will be ready. Yeah, within the next, I think within the next, it's at the final stage, where, you know, the editor, it have to edit, because, you know, I might write the notes and stuff for the book, but I need a professional, because me is not a professional to do the details work. So I write everything, approve everything, and give it to them to make sure say all the grammars and stuff are in the book. And you know, one thing also I want to do is encourage you guys too. Like, everybody have a story, and I said this before, in everybody's life, everybody have a story. Some people's story are different, some people's story are unique, some people have it hard, some people have it easy, but everybody have a story. And I feel like it's okay to say your story. You know, tomorrow you're not going to be here. You don't, well, not saying tomorrow, but you don't know. We don't know when it's what tomorrow is going to be. And I wish I did have like a book of who my ancestors was, like my past generation, my great grandmother. I have no idea who they were, and this is something also that I can, you know, leave from for my children to know who I was. One of my main reasons of writing the book is because, you know, the fear and the stuff that I've gone through, it's okay. And there's so many people that is struggling and going through things still in this earth and on this land, that going through the same things, are, you know, maybe even worse. I don't know if worse than that, in anything worse than that can be. I mean, yeah, we don't know, but people are going through things in life, and I mean hard things. People has been shut down just like me, go through a lot of stuff just like me, and they don't get a chance to share how they feel. My mother has been through a lot, and she hasn't get a chance to share and express how she feel about what she have gone through, and now she's not here anymore. So it would be good to hear it from her. So pin down my story in a book is exactly the reason why I am grateful to achieve and accomplish what I have and what I've been through. And I got distracted. What I've been through, pin it down in a book. It I'm grateful I have the opportunity to do so. And people might judge you or judge me or for what I have writing the book, but it's honesty, and it's pure. It's things that I've been through. Is the truth of what I've been through. Was it my truth? It's my truth to tell, but that's not what I wanted for my life. And it's okay for me to talk about it. You know, life goes on, you grow and you learn. I have no grudges. I have no, what do you call it? I have no regrets, because, you know, whatever I've been through has teach me so much, and I've grown mentally, physically, and emotionally. We are humans and we are not perfect, but things in life do prepare you for who you are today. Things that you have gone through, a lot of people have gone through things over and over, but what I have been through, I learn from them and I grow. And I constantly learning every day, just as you know, everybody should learn from what they have gone through. And it can make some stronger, it can make some weaker. It depends on your situation mentally. Not a lot of people can you know, cope with what they have gone through, and they look to the other side. I choose to stay positive and focused and remain positive and focused throughout my life. As I said, not all of us can do it, and I am not perfect. Nobody is perfect, but I learn and I grow. And yeah, so that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. How your girl flop herself in our first little gathering. So I hope I have the strength, and I ask God to cover me and give me the mentality to remember and concentrate on what I am doing whenever I'm in front of somebody. Writing a speech is not the deal for me, because I speak from my heart. And just like how I was writing the book, I was writing while I speak from my heart. It's best to speak from my heart, because what I put on paper Sunday, I was writing it from my heart. And even though I was supposed to read it back, at that point I wasn't like remember what I write, so I'd have to go back through it, and I didn't get a chance to. So that's why I lose track of it, and I didn't have proper lighting. So your girl flop herself for talk about the book. But anyways, I have done my best, and only your best is good enough at that point. I was very nervous, and you know, hopefully this has teach me a lesson not to be so nervous next time, and try to be on point. And I am going to find somebody to help me with this process, or try to watch some video. I didn't ever watch a video on it before, like public speaking or anything like that. But maybe I need a little coach. So if you know somebody that is a coach that reasonable and can help me to get there, maybe I'll do it. I like to invest in myself, so I'll do it. Who to tell? 2 person called me today and tell me that 2 person that was there said I must have beat up myself. Several people, I mean everybody, basically tell me not to beat up myself. Is my first time, and if I want, I could get what you call Beanie Man baby mother, something under that Tomlinson. I forgot what she said her name was. 2 of them told me today to contact her. I said, where must I get those money from to pay people? Beanie Man baby mother. I'm like, what? I don't have that money. But I don't know what her fee would be, or if that's what she do for a living or whatever. But if you guys know, let me know. I'm gonna YouTube her, or maybe follow her and see, you know, listen to her, maybe a few. But you know, your girl busy, but I have to find time for myself to learn this, because I need the help. And you know, writing a book, anybody can call you for an interview, and when you go there and look stupid on TV, people might laugh. I mean, I'm talking to you right now, I'm not feeling so like that, but because nobody's here and I'm just doing it. I can always delete it. And this video is not filter or edit. I just do it and put it up. I haven't edited, I haven't add anything, I haven't take off anything. So when I'm doing the video of lately, I realize I just record myself talking and don't do any editing. So it's not filtered and it is straightforward. How I feel, I'm just expressing. So that's what this video is. So 2 persons tell me today to reach out to her. I don't know what she do, or maybe listen to her on YouTube and I might learn things from her. I maybe look into that, but I also would take the time out to maybe get somebody to just kind of, maybe if I watch some video I might learn. So I'm gonna go on YouTube eventually and watch some video, but time is coming, so I have to start preparing for this. The book is gonna launch and I don't know what the next step is. You know, people could call me up on this book and say, Donna, I have an interview for you. Tamron, you know Tamron, it was a TV show. Yeah, Tamron, me want to call me. Tell her to call me here. Anyways, our Oprah. Right, so anyways, so that's it, guys. I'm not gonna make the video too long because you see I'm looking at the time up there and sometimes it takes so long to upload on YouTube. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Love you guys. Be safe out there. One love, peace. Take care.